Hey guys, welcome back to another quick episode of Your Review Channel. Do appreciate you tuning into this one. So listen, you're watching this video because you want to know how to take a screenshot on your Mac. I'm going to show you real quick how to do that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the video right now. Okay guys, so you want to know how to do a screenshot on your Mac. Real simple, okay? So if you're running Mac and Mac OS, it's Catalina. This is version 10.15.7, so this is what this version's at. So you want to learn how to capture a screen or an image on your Mac. All right, so you have an image and you want to just be able to screenshot it and save it on your desktop or save it somewhere else on your platform. You can do it real simple with the Mac. And this is a real quick tutorial, just something really fast I wanted to show you. So what you do is really simple. Just go ahead to the eyeglass on the top of the right, and that's what you want to search under the spotlight. Okay. Now, once you get to the spotlight, you just want to type in screenshot. See here, I can't see what I'm typing here. Okay, screenshot. So you see that came up on that right away. So just click on screenshot, and it's going to open up a box like this. So basically what this is a capture place, and you can just take your mouse and grab it and move it around and put it anywhere you want on the screen to take an image. So say for instance you want to take an image shot of, let's see, this little t-shirt description right here. So you can crop it. You can do a full-size screen, you can just do a crop, you can do partial, you can have full control over this any way you want to do it. You can just see that. So I want to take a shot of this specific thing here, and once I get lined up where I want it to be, okay, and you can adjust this here, you can get full screen, you can do partial screens, okay, all types of things. And all you have to do is just hit tap capture. So Mac makes it super easy. Click on that and bam, there it is. Okay, it's on my desktop, and I'll show you that. One second. Hey guys, just want to take this moment. Thank you very much for watching my video. I do appreciate that. I hope you're learning how to take a screenshot. Please don't forget to subscribe. It does help support my channel. Let's get back to the video. So let me close this down like this, and here it is on your desktop. So here's the screenshot. Let's take a look at it. Double click on that screenshot, and here it is. Okay, and that is how easy it is to capture a screenshot on your Mac. Let's do it one more time. So I will show you how to do it one more time. Okay, so let's say you're on a browser. Okay, do it again, and let's do a new browser. It doesn't really matter. It really captures anything. There's no restrictions at all with this screen capture tool. A lot of them can be difficult. Type in screen capture, like I said, and right there, screenshot. Click on screenshot. Opens up a box, as you can see here. So say you want to take a nice shot here. This is a little air fryer. You want that image. You need it for whatever. Doesn't really matter. And then you have all the options down below here. You can see that. You click on capture. Bam. And there it is again. It's on your desktop. It's that easy. And here it is. And open that up and you can see it. There is the air fryer. And here is the shirt. These are actually nice files. They're really actually decent quality, and you can do with what you want with it. All right, guys, I just wanted to make a quick video. I know a lot of people have been asking me how to capture some images on a Mac platform. This is how easy it is. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help my channel out quite a bit. I do appreciate that. I hope you do that. Also, don't forget to like, leave some comments down below as well, please. That does help me as well. And also, don't forget to like. It really does help my channel grow and helps me promote these videos so everybody can learn how to do this. And I think this is really a hot issue right now. People really want to know how to do screenshots. Okay, guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I know I said it multiple times, but I really do mean it. It means a lot to me. Okay, guys, and I'll see you at the next review.